lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So this video I really wanted to do from quite a long time, but then I really didn't want to miss anything. So these products, whatever I'm going to show you in this video, it is not just I bought it recently. I have bought it in entire lockdown. So not from the time the lockdown started, but yeah, somewhat like that. And some are household things, some are skincare beauty products, and some are just the daily essentials, whatever we need. Kind of some can be food products as well, or kitchen products as well. So I'm just gonna share these products with you because these are on discounted rates on Amazon, and there are some substitutes of few products which are expensive side, so you can go for the affordable ones. Right now in this pandemic situation, everybody wants to save their penny. So I hope this video will be beneficial and helpful for you. So if it is, then please let me know in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do make such kind of videos, so do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I don't know whether this thing will fit in my frame or no, because it is really huge. Ow, I have to go out of the frame to show you. So this is the huge Amazon bag. So I got this bag in one of my big parcel. So I put everything in that bag to show you. So yeah, if you want to know what would I have bought and what kind of discount I have got, then please keep on watching. See guys, I made this video for you all because I think this is beneficial and helpful video, because right now अपन नहीं जा सकते market में, shopping नहीं कर सकते, तो online shopping ही I'm not saying online shopping is the option and it is the final option. It is the only option. No, I'm not saying that. I am not even promoting online shopping, but I am just saying that I use these products. These products works better. मैं market में से भी shopping करके आती हूँ, groceries लाती हूँ. But you know, everybody is taking advantage of the situation. The shop where I go for shopping, they have put their stickers of, you know, on the MRP, and they have put on their own price for the product. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I'm paying too much over there. So whichever I can buy online, I think that is affordable. तो वो मैं लेती हूँ. और which I don't think it is not affordable. They are literally taking extra money. जैसे कि ये था, ये मुझे 30-35 रुपीस का मिला था. So वो online बहुत महंगा था, तो वो मैंने नहीं लिया. So it all depends upon you, which if you think this product is very affordable and discounted price में है, so you can go for that product. And if you don't think, then don't buy. I just wanted to show you. ये मैंने खरीदा है, and I think these are helpful. These products are very good, and this can be helpful for you. So I showed you. So like I said, I have got some products from quite a long time. Some products I have started using, but I just wanted to share with you all. So I have kept my phone over here. So these are my orders. So if I miss to tell you what is the price of that product in the video, I'll definitely put on the screen, and everything will be there in the description box, from the products, their prices and their links from where you can buy them. So do check it if you really want to buy anything from this haul. So let's start from the first product. I'm just gonna go randomly, just put my hand in there in this huge bag, and whatever comes first, I'm gonna grab that. So this is the huge box. Okay, so this is Coca noodles. I don't know if you guys are aware of this brand or no, but these are really tasty. Chani introduced me this. As in, I am a Maggi fan. Who's not? Like, I don't know. I have never heard of any Indian who's not fan of Maggi. So I do love Maggi, but I would like I love to try new flavors and products. So this is really amazing. This is curry flavor. I have not tried any other flavor. This is of 40 rupees. One packet comes of 40 rupees. So I had gotten 2 boxes. There was not single package. Yeah, so this was pack of 9, so I got 2, so I got 18 packets like this for 360 rupees, which is not bad. Okay, let's move on to the next product. Okay, so next product is these kitchen towels. So I'll open and show you. These are 12 in total. So this is the size. pretty decent size, and even the quality is really nice for kitchen towel. What do you expect? And I just got it for 183 rupees. Now I can see it is reduced on 170 rupees from 499, so it was 500 का पैकेज एंड 12 आते हैं उसमें, और मुझे मिला है 183 रुपीज में. ओके, सो दीज आर rhinestones and pearl stones, crystal stones. So I got this from the stationery shop from in my area, and I got these for 35 rupees each, and these are for 30 and these are for 35. एंड Amazon पे ये 200-300 का दिख रहा था, तो अच्छा हुआ मैंने लिया. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज, ओह वाओ, दिस इज माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज फ्रेश एंड प्योर फैमिली टी. दिस इज ऑफ 1 kg. ओके, सो इस पे प्राइस, मुझे अगर पसीना आ रहा है गाइस तो प्लीज अवॉइड इट, बिकॉज मैं फैन नहीं लगा सकती, बहुत आवाज आती है बैकग्राउंड नॉइज में, और मैं उसको एडिटिंग में भी नहीं हटा पाती हूँ, बहुत डिस्टर्ब करता है. तो I don't want to irritate you with that noise, so थोड़ी गर्मी में आपके लिए बर्दाश्त कर रही हूँ. तो देखो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, ठीक है. चलो, so this is a tea, loose tea. You all should know this if you know me, if you follow me. I am a tea lover. I can't live without tea. दुनिया में कुछ भी खत्म हो जाए मुझे चलेगा, पर चाय नहीं खत्म होनी चाहिए. I love tea. So this is 1 kg packet, and मैं usually मसाला चाय पीती थी सोसाइटी का, जो 135 का या 140 का 250 ग्राम्स आता है, और ये मुझे 250 रुपीज़ का मिला है. बेसिकली 350 लिखा है MRP, बट आई हैव गॉटन 250 रुपीज़ फ्रॉम Amazon, फ्रॉम बिग बाजार शॉप. एंड दिस इज लाइट in flavor, but when you brew it nicely, it tastes amazing with adrak, means ginger. So I can't tell you, I saved so much. मुझे यूजुअली 450-500 लगते थे 1 kg लेने के लिए, और मैंने ये सिर्फ 250 लिया है, तो आधे प्राइस में मुझे मिला है. और मेरे जैसे लोग जो रोज चाय पीते हैं और ऐसा पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में पैसे बचाना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज ये चाय जरूर लीजिए. चलिए, अब हम जाते हैं अगले प्रोडक्ट की तरफ. ये हालत बहुत ख़राब हो चुकी है, मतलब प्रोडक्ट की नहीं, पैकेजिंग की, क्योंकि मैंने उसको अजीब तरीके से फाड़ दिया था. तो इट इज़ लूमा स्माइल ब्रांड, एंड इट इज़ अ teeth whitening machine. So they have these attachments, like 4 attachments, and one already attached to the thingy. So basically ये जो चाय पीते हैं मेरे जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा टी लवर्स एंड स्मोकर्स, जिनका निकोटिन स्टेन आ जाता है, टी स्टेन्स आ जाता है, कॉफी स्टेन्स आ जाता है, तो ये निकाल देगा. दिस विल completely take out. And I tried it. I had few stains on my lower 2 teeth because of chai and other reasons. So I did that, and I just tried for 5 minutes just to see if the product works or no. But yeah, this works. Basically ये 1100 का है. Basically this is for 1100 on Amazon, but price discounted है 348 पे. And like I genuinely saying, ऐसे बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स Amazon पे है, but I don't know वो सब काम करते हैं कि नहीं. But ये मैंने ट्राई किया है and it definitely works. अगर आप these are garbage bags. Okay, so मैं क्या करती थी, आई यूज्ड टू, यहाँ पे मुंबई में ना सिग्नल पे बहुत सारे गार्बेज बैग बेचने वाले मिल जाते हैं. ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे 100 के 6 पैकेट्स देते हैं, जिसमें 30-40 बैग्स होते हैं. सो दिस इज लाइक, इट कम्स इन अ रोल, ठीक है, और उसका एक स्टिचिंग होता है, उसको आप खींचेंगे. इफ यू पुल इट, यू गेट 1 बैग इन योर हैंड. सो इट ओपन्स अप लाइक दिस, and it is stitched from the bottom, so you just have to put it in your bin, and then they have a string attached to the bag. So once your bag is full, your bin is full, you just have to grab it and tie it around and then put it outside. तो ये 270 रुपीज़ का आया है, जिसमें 5 बॉक्सेस आते हैं, और हर एक बैग में 150 पीसेस है. मतलब पूरे जो आपका एक बॉक्स है उसमें 150 आएगा, और 750 आपको इन टोटल मिलता है 270 में. तो दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड डील विद गुड क्वालिटी. ये मैं वो जो बैग से उसमें से उंगली डालती थी ना तो फट जाता था। इसका क्वालिटी अच्छा है, फटता नहीं है। और इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ गुड क्वालिटी गार्बेज बैग देन गो फॉर दिस। सो दिस इज व्हाट screwdriver set. So why I got this, because recently when garmi started, when summer started, I don't have AC in my house, so I bought a fan, और Amazon Basics का ये वाला फैन मैं पिक्चर पॉप कर दूंगी, क्योंकि अभी वो फैन तो मैं फ्रेम में नहीं ला सकती, ऑलरेडी ये बैग नहीं आ रही थी। So this is what it looks like. Oh my ring light looks. So now it is for 2,299, but मुझे मेरे ख्याल से 1,999 का मिला है। So this fan works great. तो उसको फिट करने के लिए ना मैंने चम्मच वम्मच क्या कुछ नहीं यूज किया था। तो I was like I need this screwdriver set in my house. So I got this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attachments. एक बड़ा होल्डर और उसको एक्सटेंशन के लिए ये दिया है। एंड ये बेसिक है और मेरे जैसे के लिए काफ़ी बेटर है। और इसका प्राइस क्या है आई विल टेल यू। दिस इज ऑफ 249 रुपीज एंड द क्वालिटी, ओह वाओ, आई गॉट इट फॉर 229, जिसका प्राइस अभी 249 हुआ है। तो आई यूज दिस एंड दिस वर्क्स ग्रेट for beginners and just for safer side you need a screwdriver set in your house. मेरे घर पे है बट मैं अकेली रहती हूँ तो यहाँ पे नहीं था, so I needed this. I got this. चलो let's move on to the next part. Pack tapered eyelashes which I used in my bride makeup look. If you haven't watched that video, no, go right now. I'll put it on the card. Go and watch it right now after finishing this video, not right now, but do watch it and give me your love, man. I keep making videos and you don't give me your love. Anyways, this product retails for 245 rupees. This is from Pack brand, and Pack is a very well-known drugstore brand of India. But I tried this. These are really lightweight and even natural-looking eyelashes. So this is eyelash glue. जो Duo का आता है, I don't know. This comes with a applicator which looks like this. And it's easy to apply on your eyelash. Duo का जो आता है वो हाथ पे लो और फिर स्टिक से या फिर किसी पेंसिल ब्रश से उसको लगाओ. So that is really messy. Like मैं बिगनर हूँ, मेरे लिए तो काफ़ी messy हो जाएगा. So I got this. It is for 290 rupees and it is in black color. So वो ज़्यादा ऊपर नीचे दिखने का भी टेंशन नहीं रहेगा. You can cover it up in your liner. This is a L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. So I use this after toning up my face because it really helped me clearing my acne and calming down and soothing down my skin. And yeah, so this is 22 ml which is for 225 rupees. I'm not assuring you that this will work on your skin because maybe your skin type is different, so this may not work. It works completely fine on my skin, but I would recommend this for sure. You should give it a try, at least do a patch test. If it is not giving any reaction, then go for it. It is really nice product. Okay, so this is Miss Claire ka liner in pearl. So I ordered this. I thought pearl means white shade aayega, but no, it is a silver, maybe highlighting shade, and it is of 250 rupees. It's a tiny little eyeliner. I feel this is a bit pricey. It should be 200, 180, 150. I don't know. This is my point of view and this is what I think. This is not from Amazon, but this is from Sugar. अच्छा, इसके prices मुझे अभी याद नहीं है, but so I'll definitely put it on the screen and description में तो आपको मिल ही जाएगा. So उस पे Sugar पे बहुत बड़ा offer चल रहा था, तभी मैंने ये लिया था. So I got these 4 shades and these are always red and pink tone, undertone, red and pink tone में shades, lipstick shades है. Those are smudge me not. Okay, so this is all set to go translucent powder. मेरा translucent powder खत्म हो गया था, तो I got this and I have used in many. It comes with a nice poof. I have used in many my makeup looks. You must have seen it if you're not. जहाँ भी जाके देखते हैं. क्या कर रहे हो यार, मेरी वीडियोस नहीं देखते हो. Anyways, Then from quite a long time, I wanted to try this primer stick. This is silicone based primer and it is nicely big wand and very good amount of product. मैं अभी पूरा बाहर निकालूंगी, मुझे तोड़ना नहीं है इसको. तो yeah, so there was an offer buy any 3 products for 1299 or 1599, something like that. I don't remember, but I'll definitely put it on the screen. So मैंने क्या किया, जो सबसे expensive products थे ना 3, वो कार्ट में डाले and I bought them. Okay. सबसे cheapest product है ये हॉल का. ये है 15 रुपए का मिस्टर मैजिक हैंड वॉश. ये है पाउडर टू लिक्विड हैंड वॉश. तो इसको क्या करना है, आपको पानी में आपके पास पड़ा होगा कोई भी पुराना हैंड वॉश का बॉटल, एम्प्टी बॉटल या फिर कोई भी पंप पैकेजिंग का एम्प्टी बॉटल. उसमें आपको इसको डालना है पाउडर को और 200 ml लीटर पानी ऐड करना है, शेक करना है, लीव इट फॉर सम टाइम, डू नॉट फिजिट विद इट. बार बार चेक करने मत जाओ, जस्ट छोड़ दो 10-15 मिनट के लिए. देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू अ लिक्विड. Okay, it will turn into liquid foam thing and then you can use it as a hand wash. I'm really using it. And if you guys want to know how to act, like if you want a tutorial or a demo how to make it and how does it work, then let me know, I'll make it. Anything for you guys. But see, basically I don't know the price. The thing I was saying about the weighing machine, luggage bag weighing machine, मैंने box की मार बंद कर दी. Okay, so it comes with this pouch. If you have to put your bag का handle on this and then keep it straight. ऐसे you have to keep it straight and then आपको आपके बैग का वजन मिल जाएगा. Yeah, this is it. इसका price I don't remember, 700 के आसपास कुछ तो था. उसके डैड के लिए लिया था मैंने. The product I'm going to talk about that she's using right now. I can't show you exactly, but I'll show the picture on this on the screen. So this is the box. It is of VD Elements and ये hard disk है, hard drive है. She uses Apple and she edits on Final Cut Pro, तो वो उसका बहुत memory खाता है. So she needed a hard drive, so she got this. So she just checked it from my ID and she paid it from her credit card. It is around 5,200 or 5,500. I'll put the price on the screen. Don't worry about that. मेरा phone off हो गया है. अभी ये है. So this product my friend Mitali suggested me, like I was crying for that white eyeliner. It is Coat Me Bonjour Paris and it's a white eyeliner and this looks like this and this is what my drawings are. ये 0.25 gram product है, 225 का है. And उसके साथ में I got this same brand का Coat Me Bonjour Paris का काजल eyeliner, black. Okay, so it is twist roll on kajal. It's pretty dark. Nice. I feel it glides also nicely. Chalo, this is it for this video. This was my shopping. I hope you have liked it. So guys, if you have liked it, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Share this video as much as you can because you know this is very helpful. और जिसको ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के बारे में नहीं पता है कि उसमें इतने डिस्काउंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं, उनको पता चल जाएगा. और जिनको इस प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में पता नहीं, उनको पता लग जाएगा. और whoever knows and they wanna buy, then they can get the links from in my description box. All the prices will be there on screen and the description box with the links of the products. Do check that out. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till the time, bye, be safe, take care and keep watching my videos and spreading them and sharing them. Bye.